How to fix Instagram widescreen easy and fast. Hello guys, so all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy. Just open the settings on your phone like this, scroll down, go to the apps, and after that go to apps right here. Now all what you have to do on this page is very simple. Just scroll down, go to Instagram app informations, and then go to the permissions. And now make sure to enable the storage and the microphone and the camera and also the location. Go back, click on the storage option, click on this option, it's called clear data, and now click here on the last step is force stop. Now all what you have to do is reopen Instagram and the problem must be fixed. If it didn't get fixed, then all what you have to do is disable the Wi-Fi and re-enable it again, and also disable or enable the airplane mode. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you for watching this video until the end.